What's up, you guys? Welcome to the video. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name's Josh. Welcome to another day in the life of Speedy Guns. Got a good one for you today. We're getting some photos taken of the car. So it's been fun. You know, I have my Canon EOS R. I absolutely love the camera. It's been fun starting my photography journey, starting my portfolio. But it's hard to take rolling shots of myself while I'm driving myself. So it's very difficult. Meeting up with my friend Dan. We're gonna go to a few spots, get some cool rollers. I'm definitely excited. So make sure to stick around to the end. I have a few announcements as well that I'm excited about. Let's hop right in. Alright, so let's check out Dan's Instagram. Before we get started, all I gotta say is, one, my man's got some nice photos, but two, Dan's also really good at being able to capture, you know, not only the detail and the specifics, but I mean, with the car in motion too. I feel like photography is like a whole nother level, and I'm super excited to get shots today, but also to be able to take some roller shots myself. Man, Dan, if you're watching this, props, dude. This is beautiful shots. So what I want to show you guys is even, like, look at these guys. These are freaking perfect. These are perfect. Look at these motion shots with just, I don't even know what kind of car this is. This thing's sick, though. Classic. What I want to show you guys, I'm also pretty excited, you know, help Dan add to his portfolio as well. But, like, look at these roller shots. Like, this is a lucky M3. Met up with her a few weekends ago. Didn't actually get a chance to meet, but I saw this car. Hopefully I get a chance to meet her and link up with her. Some other Beamers sometimes, but like, look at these shots, dude. These are freaking spectacular. This is the roller shot right here. Like, this is perfect. This is, I don't even get how you get this shot. Like, what are you hanging out of the trunk of someone else's car as we're trying to get this shot? Like, I don't know, but I guess Dan's gonna teach me up today, and I'm super excited because these shots are freaking spectacular. So I'm excited to see. I'm excited to help him add to his portfolio, and I'm excited to see how my car comes out. Woo! It looks so good. Alright, so as we're waiting for Dan and his fiance, just want to drop the first announcement of a few for today's video. Guys, not BMW related, but I got a puppy. Check out this beautiful German Shepherd pup. Got her at 8 weeks. Her name's Kayla, girl. Woohoo! She's such a babe. Alright guys, so big announcement for everybody who I've talked to about the M2 replica bumper and finding a front lip. I finally got one. So as you saw in my last video, we got the custom steering wheel. If you didn't watch that video, I'll link it up top, go watch that. But I've had a bunch of conversations with people about carbon fiber front lip for specifically the M2 bumper. I couldn't find one for a while, but here it is. And I was hesitant to make this video just because the company was straight up. They let me know that they weren't really 100% on fitment, and as you can tell, fitment really isn't perfect. There's a gap right here, but from far, like, it really, I mean, it's whatever. I mean, honestly, straight up my opinion, for the price, I kind of would expect perfect fitment, but being that there wasn't really many options I had, so I just, you know, bit the bullet and did it. I'm quite content. It's definitely pretty expensive for not being a perfect fit, but hey, it's what it is sometimes. You let me know. I mean, it looks freaking spectacular. Carbon fiber grills, just perfect contrast with the lip. It's definitely all about the carbon lip, so I'm grateful for that. So yeah, let me know. For everyone who I've talked to about this, let me know if you're interested. I'll send you a link. Alright guys, so I just got back to my house. I'm sweating balls. It's hot today, but it was a good day. It's a really good day out there shooting with Dan. I learned a lot in just a few hours and I'm super grateful. So we agreed upon a certain price and I'm glad I threw him a little bit of extra. We got to talking about it and Dan's prices are pretty cheap. I mean, honestly, if you're in the South Jersey area, Philadelphia area, even East Coast, like, hit up Dan. His prices are pretty good, like, really, really good, actually. I straight up told him, I was like, Dan, like, you should probably charge a lot more. And he agreed with me. He even told me his wife said the same thing. But he also said that he wants to make sure to keep, you know, photography and his photos and his work to, you know, an affordable price for people. Because he said a lot of times, he's been a photographer for a few years now, and me being just started, I was asking a lot of questions. So again, for that, I'm grateful. But he was letting me know that, like, it's kind of hard. It's a little difficult, a bit challenging to get people to pay the prices for photography. And it's like, when you start throwing numbers around, like 500, 600, 700, like, people kind of get, I mean, when people would say that, I feel like they're going to get a little bit scared away. But when you really think about it, it's like, when you're hiring a photographer, you're not just hiring someone that's going to take a picture and that's it. Like, there's the post-production, there's coming up with the ideas of where to shoot, there's the time of day, it's the time, it's the photographer's ideas, the angles. Like, there's so much more to it than just photography, than just taking a photo. It's most importantly the time, but then also in this case, it's a whole other element when you're shooting cars, because then it's not only like Dan was taking pictures of my car, he needed his fiance to drive their car so he could take photos of my car. So it wasn't even just Dan's time, it was Dan's time and Dan's fiance, it's Dan's fiance's time. So it was almost like their time times two. So I mean, I'm glad I threw Dan extra. I'm glad I got to meet up with him. I haven't even seen any of the photos really, and I already know they're going to come out great. Regardless if they came out great or not, it's really just his time that I'm appreciative of. We met up in Pennsauken, went around to Philly. We went to a bunch of shoots, so I'm obviously going to show you guys, but it's really just his time that I was really grateful for, and then I learned a lot as well. So Dan, I appreciate you, and I'll definitely see you soon. Guys, I'm going to let you know, I'm going to leave his Instagram right here. If you want pictures done, I'm pretty sure you could do more than just cars, but if you want pictures done, you want to go bang for the buck, go price, hit up Dan, because he should probably be charging a lot more for his work, because as we showed on his Instagram, his work is pretty freaking spectacular. So I'm super grateful for that. Alright guys, a little bit of a short video, I think. I haven't even started editing yet, so I guess we'll see how long it is. I'm trying to get all these sick photos, I'm so excited. But one last announcement. Yeah, first announcement, got a puppy. Second announcement, new carbon front lip. Again, if you want a front lip for your M2 replica bumper for the M235i, hit me up. I got you. We got a plug now. It's not perfect, but for not having many options, it's perfect enough. But the last announcement for today's video is, guys, we are officially car shopping. So drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think my next car is going to be. But I'll give you a hint. It will be a BMW. It is going to be a BMW, 100%. The only thing is, it's not my next car. So I'm not really shopping for my next car, for like my next part of, you know, my vision, my dream. We're more shopping for a family car for my entire family. So I'm not going to give you too much details, but that kind of says enough. But yeah, take a guess at what it is. I'm excited. Stay tuned. See you guys in the next one. Peace.